Hello, today we will guide you through how to disable Gemini AI on Gmail. If you want to reduce or turn off Gmail's AI-related assistance features, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. We'll walk through it clearly so you can follow along inside your Gmail account without confusion. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Make sure you're fully signed in and looking at the main inbox screen before moving on. This is important because the settings we need are accessed directly from the Gmail interface. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Settings icon. It usually appears as a small gear symbol. Click that icon to open the Quick Settings panel. If you don't immediately notice the full options you need, that's normal, since Gmail first shows a shortened settings view. From that panel, click See All Settings. This will open the complete settings page for your Gmail account, where more advanced options are available. Give the page a moment to load, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. When the full settings page opens, stay on the General Settings area and begin scrolling down. You're looking for the section related to Google Workspace Smart Features. Depending on updates to Gmail's layout, the wording may appear slightly different, but it should still clearly refer to smart features within Google Workspace. Once you find that section, click Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. This will open the controls that let you manage how Google uses smart features in Gmail and related workspace tools. These settings can affect suggestions, automated help, and AI-assisted experiences, so it's a good idea to review them carefully before changing anything. Next, turn off smart features in Google Workspace. This is the key step for disabling the feature set connected to Gemini AI behavior in Gmail. After switching it off, Gmail may ask you to confirm your choice. If it does, go ahead and confirm so the setting is saved properly. After that, your changes should take effect for your account. If you don't notice the update right away, try refreshing Gmail or reopening the tab. In some cases, it may take a short moment for the interface to reflect the change. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the Gmail settings and turned off the Workspace smart features connected to Gemini AI functionality. If you're following along during the video, feel free to pause at any point to complete each part at your own pace.